Looking at what you're looking at basically is the seat that I'm planning on using for the sidecar. It looks like shite. It's one of them mini. It's from a classic Mini. I got two of them. Fits perfectly, but this whole section here I want to put leather up it. So I want all this sort of shite gone, because I'm hoping that I can turn it into, you know, the bomber style seats. So what it's actually out of is out of a classic Mini. As you can see, just a second now, it's nothing to write home about. So